Hi guys, welcome back to Golden Reviewer. Recently, GameSir sent me this new game controller they just released, and let's do a quick unboxing of this. Okay, so that's for the unboxing. And since my wife has been playing the new Zelda game, so I connected this controller to her Switch and let her test this controller out to see if it works well and also to see if it feels nice when using. Okay, so her feedback in general is pretty good. As you can see, the audio jack works fine, so she's connected her headset to the controller itself. But so far I haven't figured out how to switch the audio output on the Switch, so now the HDMI doesn't have any sound. And as you can see here, the gyroscope also works very well, so you can control your aiming with the built-in gyroscope, right? So in general, I think this is a pretty nice, cool looking and pretty functional game controller. And speaking of the brand GameSir, I think they are usually quite responsible for the long-term support of their product. So they already did some firmware updates for my controller, and I think they'll continue to improve the controller with future firmware updates. Alright guys, so that's a quick unboxing and hands-on of this controller. I hope the video is helpful for you if you are considering buying this controller. And thanks for watching. See you next time.